Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Charbonnel A. Walker Caramel Hazelnut Sea Salt Swirls. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So Charbonnel A. Walker are chocolatiers to the royal family, and this is their latest creation, the Caramel Hazelnut Sea Salt Swirls. So it says milk chocolate swirls with a caramel, hazelnut and sea salt center. And you can see it comes in this lovely round box, as most of their chocolates do, if not all. And on the underside of the box packaging, there's some information or history about Charbonnel A. Walker and ingredients and nutrition information for this box of milk chocolate caramel hazelnut sea salt swirls. So this is a 115-gram box. And now let's go ahead and open it up by, of course, cutting apart the sticky tape that's holding the box lid and box base together. So right there we've cut the two bits of sticky tape, beg your pardon, was slightly off frame, but there we go. And let's unbox it, and you can see the underside of the box lid. Let's set it across to the side right there, or somewhere where it still can be seen so you know what we're dealing with. And looking in, you can see there is a layer of protective packaging with the Charbonnel A. Walker branding on it. Let's set it to the side, and you can see there are how many? 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, beg your pardon, 8 caramel hazelnut sea salt swirls in there, sitting very nicely, and they do have that beautiful glossy coating on them. I'm just going to give you that close-up look right here, and you can see that they're all individually wrapped with a kind of paper foil. And now giving you a much closer look right here. So this is a 115-gram box containing 8 caramel hazelnut sea salt swirls. Now let's pop one of them out. Let's take the one that's slightly shifted to give you that much closer look right here. Of course, still sitting in its paper foil wrapper. And just to give you some sense of size as well, resting in the palm of my hand, just for reference purposes and for scale as well. And let's pop it out from its paper packaging and setting that little paper cup down. Now giving you an even closer and clearer look now. Okay, so you can see it does have that swirly pattern to it, instead of the more traditional truffles which are round by Charbonnel A. Walker. So giving you that close-up look as I spin it, or slightly rotating it slowly right round, and taking a look at the bottom or base of this caramel hazelnut sea salt swirl. So now there's only one thing left to do, and it's to taste it. So let's go ahead and take a bite. You can see in the cross section inside the chocolate swirl is that hazelnut As well on the right side is the caramel. And of course that's the faint taste of sea salt as well. Not overpowering, but a nice balance after cracking through that swirl of outer milk chocolate. So a very nice balance of sea salt, caramel, milk chocolate, as well as that hazelnut inside of the swirl. So very delicious chocolate without having an overall or overwhelming sweetness to it. And a nice balance of textures and flavors. So that's the Charbonnel, a Walker Caramel Hazelnut Sea Salt Swirls. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!